This video is to showcase our Megaview installation at Justin's house, the Muttons, one of the Class 95 DJ. This video is brought to you by SmartZip Blind Expert. Let's check it out.
Wanted to spend some time in my balcony today, but it's raining and the balcony is all wet.
Oh no! Now let's guess, what will Justin do? Call ID or call neighbors? First thing first, call ID.
Yeah, so I want to install these zip blinds, right? But everyone I spoke to says there's going to be a very ugly pole in the middle. It just destroys the view and it will start sagging after a while. So what should I do? Who should I call?
At this point, what will Justin do? Muttons eat 𝐷𝗫𝐀𝐁? Or check out the new iPhone 15?
Wow, Megaview. No sag, no smiling face, no pole in the middle, up to 12 meters. This is the one. Hello, is that SmartZip? Yes, can I come over now to see the Megaview?
And here we are. Up to 8-meter Megaview zip blind in our showroom, and Justin totally amazed by this long zip blind.
3 days later.
Our professional technicians went to Justin's house and do on-site measurement for the Megaview installation. Ready in 3, 2, 1.
Look guys, there's no pole in the middle or anywhere for that matter. It's a Megaview.
Yes, our Megaview is up to 12-meter long in one single panel. And we guarantee 5 years of no sagging or smiley face on the middle of the fabric. Coming up with testimonial time, Justin shares his thoughts on our Megaview zip blind. Don't miss out on hearing what he has to say about it.
Okay, Justin, so
Yeah.
good to see you again in this your new penthouse here.
I know.
Yeah, we would like to ask you about a few things, like how do you feel about our blind expert, like how the cooperation and how we the installation, how's everything? Just feel free to share with us.
Well, I have to be honest, I love how seamless it was because I decided what I wanted, and then you guys said, okay, give us 3 days. 3 days later I came, boom, it's up. It was so fast. It was done so quickly and so seamless. Everything done to perfection, the right color and all that. So it's just such a smooth and easy process, and everything works perfectly.
Nice.
So.
Well, since before we visit your place, we found that there's a long balcony for your place.
Yeah.
So like, can you share like how you find this, our Megaview, and how you know our company as well?
Well, I always knew I wanted a zip line. From the moment we bought this place, you have to have a zip line, right? It's so warm and you want to, block out the rain whenever. So the thing is, I was looking for something that suits me the best. So I had a rather large balcony, right? So a friend of mine actually alerted me about your company and that there is this product called Megaview, where you've got this unobstructed view even with a zip line. And the most important thing is that pole that everybody has in the middle, So when you guys told me about it, I'm like, what pole? You mean other people have a pole? And then I started realizing, I went to my friend's place, I drove past a lot of different condos. I'm like, oh my God, everybody's balcony has a pole. And when you notice it, when you know to look out for it, it's not very nice lah. It's ugly. It's there forever. It blocks your view. And with a view like this, why would you want to block it? So when I heard about Megaview, I'm like, really? How could a single panel be so long? So I went down to your showroom, had a look at the product. I'm like, wow, it can really be done. So immediately there was no other choice to be made. With this size of a balcony and with this view, the Megaview just makes sense. And once it's installed, which it has been, like, there is no pole. So this is the solution that I'm looking for. Yeah.
Okay, so based on the Megaview that we have, which of the points that really motivate you to purchase with us?
Yeah. I would say the pole is number one, right? Or the lack of pole. It's so important now. I mean, whenever I see this, I'm like, wow, I'm so happy with this. But I tell you, the other thing that was also impressive was the offering of 5-year warranty. Even before I got this, I've had friends who tell me, oh, moto is the first thing that will go. Moto is one, and after a while, it might even start sagging. I think you all call it a smiley face, right? After a while, wind blows and all that, you're going to have that smiley face, and it's very ugly. But I'm told that you guys have a 5-year warranty against that. 5-year warranty against sagging, 5-year warranty of the moto. which I think it's going to be really, really important. I mean, this is something you're going to use daily. So 5-year warranty is big peace of mind. So I think all these combine to make a product that's very hard to say no to.
Once again, thank you Justin for visiting our SmartZip Xperience Center and installed our Megaview zip blinds. Follow the Muttons on Instagram to check out their interesting videos and follow us on Blind Expert. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next video.